Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, working non-stop to keep you healthy. But are you taking care of it? Today I'm giving you 5 simple, science-backed tips to keep your liver in top shape, starting today. Number 1, eat more fiber-rich foods. I'm talking about fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber helps your liver produce bile, which is a liquid that helps break down fat and cholesterol. It also helps with the detoxification process by binding to toxins and making them easier to eliminate. On top of that, fiber keeps your blood sugar levels steady, which helps your liver function at its best. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. It's about 1 NA, 2 cups of veggies, or 1/4 cup of beans. You can also get fiber from whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats, as well as fruits and nuts. Number 2, don't overload your liver with too much protein. Your liver needs protein to make certain compounds that help with detoxification. However, eating too much protein, especially from red meat and processed sources, can overwhelm your liver and lead to inflammation. Instead, focus on getting your protein from plants, such as beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. These plant-based proteins are easier for your liver to process, and they come with the added benefit of fiber, which we talked about in tip No. 1. Number 3, cut back on saturated and trans fats. Saturated and trans fats are the bad kind of fats found in foods like butter, lard, and processed meats. They can raise your cholesterol levels and cause inflammation in your liver, which can lead to serious conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. To reduce these fats in your diet, choose lean protein sources. Go for healthier oils like olive oil and avocado oil, and limit the amount of added fats and butter you use in cooking. Number 4, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps your liver produce just the right amount of bile, which again helps break down fats and toxins. Water also helps your liver produce the right amount of certain compounds that help with detoxification. Aim to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. If you find it hard to drink plain water, try adding slices of lemon or lime, which also have liver protective properties. Number 5, get moving. Exercise helps reduce fat buildup in your liver and increases blood flow, which helps your liver get rid of toxins more efficiently. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for liver health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Taking care of your liver is essential for your overall health and well-being. By following these 5 tips, you can help your liver stay in top shape and do its job more efficiently. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So start today and give your liver the love it deserves. Get your supplement today in the link below.